get ready, because the future of trucking is about to hit the highway, and it's coming faster and bigger than anyone imagined. Elon Musk and Tesla are gearing up to unleash a fleet of 10,000 fully autonomous semi-trucks by 2026. This isn't just another electric vehicle. It's a complete revolution for logistics, and the numbers are simply staggering. We're talking about a move that could redefine supply chains, slash shipping costs, and make our roads safer than ever before. So buckle up as we dive into the insane design, mind-blowing payload capacity, and the game-changing technology that makes the Tesla Semi the most anticipated commercial vehicle in history. First, let's talk about the design. When the Tesla Semi first rolled onto the stage, it looked like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The sleek, aerodynamic shape isn't just for show. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to cheat the wind. Traditional diesel trucks are basically giant bricks pushing against the air, which absolutely kills their fuel efficiency. The Semi, on the other hand, has a drag coefficient of just 0.36. To put that in perspective, that's better than some sports cars. This slippery design means it uses far less energy to cruise at highway speeds, which is crucial for maximizing its range and minimizing operational costs. Then there's the cockpit. Tesla threw out the rulebook. Instead of a driver sitting on the left or right, the driver's seat is positioned right in the center. This gives the driver a commanding panoramic view of the road, almost like a pilot in a jet. Flanking the central steering wheel are two massive 15-inch touchscreens, just like the ones you'd find in a Model S or Model 3. These screens handle everything from navigation and vehicle diagnostics to blind spot monitoring and autopilot controls. It's a clean, minimalist, and futuristic command center that eliminates the clutter of traditional gauges and switches. This driver-centric layout is designed to reduce fatigue and improve awareness, making long hauls less of a chore. Now, let's get to the power and performance, because this is where things get really wild. The Tesla Semi is powered by 4 independent electric motors on the rear axles. This isn't just for efficiency. It gives the truck incredible acceleration. A fully loaded Semi, weighing in at 82,000 pounds, can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 20 seconds. It's an empty truck. It can do it in a mind-boggling 5 seconds. That's faster than many passenger cars. Imagine pulling onto a highway on-ramp and merging with traffic effortlessly. This kind of performance also translates to tackling steep grades. The Semi can maintain highway speeds on a 5% grade, something that leaves diesel trucks struggling in the slow lane. Of course, the big question for any electric truck is range. Tesla is promising 2 versions of the Semi. One will have a range of 300 miles, and the long-range model will go up to 500 miles on a single charge. 500 miles is a huge deal. It covers a significant portion of daily trucking routes in the United States, and when it's time to recharge, Tesla S megachargers are designed to give the Semi up to 400 miles of range in just 30 minutes. That means a driver can plug in during a mandatory break and be ready to hit the road again with an almost full battery. This charging speed is the key to making electric trucking practical for long-haul operations. Let's talk about the payload, the very reason these trucks exist. The Tesla Semi is designed to haul the maximum legal weight in the U.S., which is 82,000 pounds gross vehicle weight. Because the electric powertrain is lighter than a comparable diesel engine, transmission, and fuel system, the Semi can potentially carry a slightly heavier payload, maximizing the amount of cargo per trip. This efficiency is a core part of its value proposition, where cargo per trip means fewer trips are needed, which saves money on fuel, maintenance, and driver time. But the most groundbreaking feature, the one that truly sets the Semi apart, is its full self-driving capability. While the initial trucks will likely require a driver, Tesla's goal has always been full autonomy. Each Semi is equipped with the same suite of cameras, radar, and sensors as their passenger cars, all powered by Tesla's advanced neural network. Imagine a future where these trucks can operate 24/7, only stopping to charge and unload. They could form platoons, where multiple trucks follow a lead vehicle in a tight, aerodynamic convoy, drafting off each other to save massive amounts of energy. This would be a seismic shift in the logistics industry. The economic implications are enormous. Tesla claims the Semi will save truck operators over $200,000 in fuel costs alone, over 1 million miles. When you factor in lower maintenance costs, no oil changes, no complex transmissions, and regenerative braking that saves the brakes, the total cost of ownership plummets. For a company like PepsiCo, which was one of the first to receive its initial batch of semis, these savings add up quickly across a large fleet. They've been using them for shorter routes, like delivering snacks from a warehouse to distribution centers. And the early results on efficiency and driver feedback have been incredibly positive. So the plan to build 10,000 of these trucks by 2026 is an incredibly ambitious statement. It signals that Tesla is moving beyond pilot programs and into mass production. This will require a massive new factory, likely the one being built in Nevada, dedicated to producing the Semi. Ramping up production to that level is a monumental challenge, especially when it comes to battery supply. The Semi's battery pack is huge, estimated to be between 600 and 1,000 kilowatts. Producing 10,000 of those requires a significant portion of the world's battery production. But if anyone has a track record of solving massive production challenges, it's Tesla. The impact on safety could be just as profound. The trucking industry has a persistent problem with accidents, many of which are caused by driver fatigue. An autonomous or semi-autonomous system that never gets tired, distracted, or falls asleep could dramatically reduce the number of crashes on our highways. The Semi's advanced autopilot features, like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping, are already a huge step forward.
Ow!
The low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery pack also makes the truck incredibly stable and resistant to rollovers. One of the most dangerous types of truck accidents. Of course, there are still hurdles. The charging infrastructure needs to be built out across the country. We need mega chargers at truck stops, distribution centers, and along major freight corridors. Regulations around autonomous trucking also need to be clarified and standardized across different states and countries. And the trucking industry itself, which employs millions of drivers, will have to adapt to this technological shift. The role of a truck driver might evolve from being a simple operator to more of a logistics manager, overseeing the vehicle's autonomous systems, but the momentum is undeniable. With major corporations like PepsiCo, Walmart, and Anheuser-Busch having placed orders, the demand is clearly there. Elon Musk's goal of 10,000 FSD Semis by 2026 is more than just a production target. It's a declaration that the age of electric autonomous freight is beginning. It's a bold vision for a cleaner, safer, and more efficient future for logistics. The road ahead is long, but Tesla is in the driver's seat, and they're hitting the accelerator. The trucking world is about to be electrified. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the Tesla Semi's impact on the future of shipping? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the future of tech, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. See you next time.